The hurricane season runs through the end of November, and while it's rare to get a storm to impact the continental US this time of year, it's not impossible. When it comes to tropical development, one of the most important factors is wind shear. Wind shear has to be low for a hurricane to develop. Wind shear is simply a change in wind speed and direction with height. If you look at this GOES 16 satellite imagery from earlier this week, you can literally see wind shear based on the clouds. In this case, we see clouds moving from the northeast to the southwest, but there's also clouds moving from the southwest to the northeast. To see what is really going on, here's a look at a weather sounding. A weather sounding just simply shows a profile of the atmosphere at a certain time. This sounding from MCO, or Orlando International Airport, shows winds from the northeast heading to the southwest. But notice how the winds are blowing strongly from the southwest in the upper levels of the atmosphere. This is a practical example which shows there is quite a bit of shear in the atmosphere at this location. In other words, if you were standing in Central Florida at this time, you would notice the clouds literally blowing from one direction at one height, and at another height, the clouds would be blowing at another direction. When it comes to hurricanes, strong upper level winds destroy the storm structure by displacing warm temperatures above the eye and limiting vertical ascent of air. To make a long story short, hurricanes will not form when the upper level winds are too strong.